All right, guys, we got a 370Z with a rear muffler delete. He bought a system for it that didn't fit before, so he brought a new system in. But we did a muffler delete for him just to get him some sound last time. So this is what it sounds like before. This is before with a muffler delete. Give it gas. Here's sound decibels. Right at 107 again. So we're gonna take it all off from the cat's back and install this cat back system by Beluga Racing. It's a nice clean system. Stay tuned. All right, guys, 2011 370Z. So we showed you guys what it looked like before and sounded before. Here what it sounds like now and looks now. The cats are still on it, right there and there. And then we did a cat back system by Beluga Racing. So it's cat back all the way back with an H pipe, resonators, then it continues, and then two mufflers out the back. One here, one here. We had a little bit of fitment issues over here. It hit. So we had to take this box that comes on the evap system. And then we had to also modify the hangers to make it fit almost in the center. It's a lot better than it was to clear everything. We had to put a little heat and move the hangers a little bit. But it looks a lot better. There it is. When it's on the ground, it'll line up nicely. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the system that was on it, the midsection, the resonators, and the two pipes that we did a muffler delete on. And as you guys can see, we always get the tops. We pride ourselves on getting the top so it doesn't leak. There it is. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. All right, guys. 370Z with a Beluga Racing cat back system. Not bad. Nice idle. Not crazy loud. Idle is about 71, 74, 75. Go ahead. Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 101 at peak. Again. Go ahead and back it up. What do you think, boss? You like it?
Loving it, man.
All right.
Appreciate you guys.
Oh, that's the evap heat shield I was hitting. So we took it off for you guys to know. It's clean idle too. It's not crazy loud.
Yeah,
you
that's
know?
why I was looking for a little bit less.
Yeah.
Muffler delete was a little harsh.
You enjoyed it for a little while.
I
at
did.
least, you know?
Woke the neighbors up a few times.
Heck yeah. That's what we like to do, man.
Right.
Beluga Racing cat back. There it is. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our phone number. Give us a call. Let you guys hear on the inside. .370Z. Only 20,000 miles on it, guys. That is crazy. It's so clean. That's a nice takeoff right there. Beast mode. I like it. Enjoy, guys.